Getting into cybersecurity, one of the tools you get to learn and use is the Kali Linux operating system. Now, Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and security research. Now, Kali Linux comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. Now, the Kali Linux is both GUI and CLI. GUI means graphics user interface, whereby you use the graphics you see to communicate with the operating system, just like the Windows operating system. Then the CLI is command line interface. This is where you use commands to communicate with the operating system. Now, the best way to actually communicate with the Linux operating system is through the CLI. So today I'll be taking you through some basic commands in Kali Linux. So first, log in. So let's open up our terminal. Let me zoom in this YouTube. Now, the first command we'll be talking about is ls. ls is to list the directories that you have. Then the next one is pwd, which is print working directory, to show the directory you're actually working in. Then we have cd. cd is to change directory. For instance, I want to change directory into, probably I have a directory called downloads. Then cd downloads. We change, that means anything I do now will be saving into the downloads directory. Then if I want to go back, I use cd space dash dash enter. It takes me back. Now, another one is to create a directory, or to make a directory. We use mkdir space the name of the directory, let's say testing 2. Now, if I list now, you will discover that a directory named testing2 has been created. Now, to remove this directory, we use rmdir, which is remove directory, and the name of the directory testing2 remove directory. Now, to create a file, a file is different from a directory. To create a file, we use touch, touch, the name of the file, let's say testing 1 2, enter. So if I list, you see that a file with the name testing 1 2 has been created. Now I can use clear to clear up everything because it's getting too much. Clear. Now the file testing has been created. So if I want to write something into the file, just like the way you use, let's say I can nano the file testing 1 2. So this is just like notepad in the Windows operating system, but this is for Kali. So inside that, I can say my name is Anthony. Then to save this, I use Ctrl+O, enter, then Ctrl+X. So if I want to check what I type inside that file now, I can use cat, the command cat testing 1 2. Now this is what I wrote inside. Now to copy this file, let me first list the directories I have. So let's assume I want to copy this file into, let's say, videos, or let's say downloads. So if I list, so I can say cp, the name of the file, testing 1 2 space where I want to copy it to. So we said downloads. Now if I list downloads, if I list directly inside downloads, I discover that the file has been copied into downloads. So now let's say I want to move a file. We use mv, the name of the file. So let me first list my directories. So we use mv, the name of the file, testing 1 2. Then the directory we want to move it to, let's say pictures. So let me list directory pictures. We have discovered that the file has been moved into now another one is saying I want to, so let me first change directory. Let me first change directory to pictures. Then I list what is inside pictures, testing. So I want to delete this file named testing. So deleting a folder or deleting a directory is different from deleting a file. To delete a directory, you use rmdir, but to delete a file, you use rm space -r space the name of the file. So if I list now, discover that the file has been deleted. So let me clear again. Yeah, another command is history. History shows all the commands we've been inputting since. So that is what history shows. Then who am I tells you who is logged in, what you are logged in as right now. So let me know if this video, let me know in the comment section if this video was very helpful. Then please kindly share, like, so that I can get more videos. Thank you.